I found a quick and easy way to use fonts on a frozen computer. The first thing that you need to do is you need to go to portableapps.com, and then you're going to download the program. What's different is where you store it. You're going to store this in your Google Drive. So instead of going and storing it on your desktop like you normally would, you're going to scroll over and you're going to have your Google Drive file stream up, and you're going to make sure that it's in your drive. So if you look at those breadcrumbs at the top, you want to make sure that it's in your Google Drive file stream, My Drive, and it's going to make a folder. And this is your install. So I double-clicked to open it. And I'm going to get a pop-up for installing it. Again, there's a couple tweaks that you need to pay attention to when you're installing it. You're going to agree to the terms of service, and instead of doing a new install, you want to select a custom location, and that custom location is going to go right back into your Google Drive file stream. So again, it's already set up with my G Drive because that's where I saved it. And I want to automatically start it when I start Windows. This is what that looks like. And then the last thing that you need to do is in Portable Apps, you're going to go ahead and you need to make a spot so that your computer knows where to access this. So in my Portable Apps folder, notice it's not synced just quite yet. It does take a little bit of digging. In your data folder, you're going to make a new folder and you're going to label it fonts. That way, once the computer starts up, when an Adobe program starts running, it's going to know I'm going to pull those fonts from there. Once you have a font that you've downloaded and extracted, you're going to go ahead and store them in here. The trick to using Portable Apps is making sure that Portable Apps is running before you open Photoshop or Illustrator.